Welcome back, YouTube and YouTube subscribers. SKOOFEE here, back with another video for you guys today. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Also like this video and turn on the notification bell so you are notified with my videos that are coming out soon. Alright, that being said, today we're going to be talking about AMC and how they're going to be doing this up and coming week. Also, don't forget to sign up with the Cash App using my link down below in the description box. That's going to get you a free $10 if you send me $5. You don't have to send me $5, but if you do send me $5, you will get a free $10 bonus, and that way you can use $15 towards your brand new stocks. All right, but like I said, you don't have to send me the $5. You can send the $5 to whoever you want, and that will still get you a $5 bonus. But if you send it to me, you get yourself a $10 bonus. All right, I am showing you here how to do that if you don't know how to set up your Cash App and how to send me $5 after you've done that. You must link your debit card or your checking account in order for you to sign up today. But it's really easy, really simple. As you can see here, I'm showing you how to do that. But enough of Cash App. Let's go ahead and get on into the video so I can show you guys what's going to happen. All right, so here we are. Now I am down 52 bucks this week, or the previous week, you know, and it's going to bounce back. I'm not panicking. I'm not worried. I was able to pick up a lot more shares at a cheaper price, which I am much happy for, because the cheaper your stocks are, the better you have a chance of making more profit. Okay, so if you ever hear me say you want to buy your stocks cheaper or buy the dip, that is why, because the cheaper that it is, the more money you'll make if it goes up. Okay, it's just that simple. You don't want to buy stocks at a high rate or when it's going up. If you are buying a stock when it's going up, you're simply buying it because you just simply believe in it, and you know you want to see what happens with it. So I definitely understand, but typically it is very smart to buy the stock that you're interested in when it has went down, because you'll have more profits to come out of that. All right, now let's take a look here. We had a pretty rough day Friday. Nothing was really going in my favor. Nothing really shot up too much, but you know, it's okay. This is how this works, and you shouldn't be playing in the stock market if you are not willing to lose money, or you are not okay with losing money that you know you have set aside for this. So you know, that's just pretty much how it works. You know, you're gonna lose money. You're not gonna win every day. All right, but the goal is to have better good days than bad days, of course, right? Now, as you can see, I've invested 622 bucks into AMC. I'm down 80 bucks. So that's majority of where my losses are coming from. It's just AMC. So all I need to do is get that up. All AMC needs to do for me to make my money back, or just to make some profit, is simply go to $8, because I have $600 worth of stocks, which comes up to like 80 shares. And that's about $7.72 per share, which is really good in my opinion. Okay, I don't want to be over the $8 mark or even the $9 mark with shares. Anything over $9 in AMC to me is a little too high. Okay, so if you have, you know, if your shares are low and you've lost a lot of money and you see it dropping down like this, this is when you're going to want to put more money into it to get your cost per share down. It's just going to help you out in the long run if you think this company is going to be something in the future. All right. Now, if you're in it for the hype, then you need to analyze and make sure that you're okay with losing money and know that this type of stuff is going to happen. Besides that, this is a tough one to call. It's really tough to call because it's not something that normally happens. We're not used to seeing stuff like this happen with a stock. It is extremely hyped, and everybody knows about it, and it's just crazy because it usually doesn't go like this in the stock market. But we will see. I think it's going to have a good week. I know I said that last week, but there were other things that was stopping it from having a good week, so that's what kind of sucks. But this week, all the limitations have been lifted. Everything should be back to normal somewhat, so we're hoping that we could have a better week this week. Even if it doesn't go up quite a bit, somebody still has a call option that this stock is going to go up to $20 a share this week, and their call option expires this next Friday coming up. So if somebody's invested $2 million into that, saying that AMC is going to go up to $20 by the end of the week, I think it's a pretty safe bet to, you know, say the AMC might have a pretty good week this week, but we don't know. Everything is really tough because of all the limitations and stuff that they've done before. So it's kind of really tricky to say, but I'm very confident. All right, I'm very confident that we're going to have a good week and that we'll all be able to make some profits and stuff. Okay. That being said, do not take my advice as what you're supposed to do. This is just simply my opinion, and do not follow me if you don't think this is something that you want to do. Do it because you want to do it. All right, it's that simple. Now, one other stock that I kind of lost a lot of money in was GoPro. GoPro was doing so well for me. I had a pretty decent amount of stocks in them at a low cost. And all of a sudden, they had their day where they announced their total quarter 4 information. And that kind of hurt me. They dropped down to $8 a share, a little bit of $8 and some change. And that hurt me. I think I bought them at like $9 and they were all the way up to like 11. Yeah. Didn't really do too good on that, but you know what? We're going to hold strong and just kind of see if they can bounce back. All right. That's pretty much it. That's all I have for you guys. So we're hoping for AMC to have a good week this week. I'm in this, guys, deep. I'm still holding strong. So hopefully you guys are. Don't forget, I am still doing the giveaway since we didn't have anybody participate last week. So the giveaway is after you sign up under my link down below in the description box, you send me $5. I will send you $10 back, and the first 10 people to do that will be put in a drawing to win $25 free at the end of next week. All right, that's it. Subscribe to the channel. SKOOFEE here, and I'm out.
I'm 1017, watch up on my wrist is 1-1.